Chapter 3. HMI Screen Function Menu. Next, we'll explain the HMI on the control panel. Here you can select English, Chinese, and the machine parameter page. The machine parameter page is password protected. The preset password is 868000380. After entering the password, press Enter to access parameter adjustments and function options. If optional mechanisms were purchased, the corresponding functions must be enabled here. If the mechanism was not purchased, the function will not work even if it is turned on. Next is the machining setup page. This page includes PEC drilling, chip breaking, and standard drilling mode settings. This is the indexing function. Here you can set the second feed and the pre-clamping function. This section switches between clamp before ejecting or eject before clamping. The machine is designed with a hydraulic ejector cylinder to push and position the workpiece. The next page contains coordinate parameters, including the standby position and contact position. Here you can set the drilling depth, rapid approach speed, drilling feed speed, and the return speed after drilling is completed. This section is for spindle speed settings. This shows the frequency. In manual mode, turn on spindle on to view the current spindle speed, which is about 2,600 revolutions per minute. If the cutting tool allows, the speed can be increased to 5,100 revolutions per minute. The maximum speed is about 5,000 revolutions per minute. The frequency limit is 200 Hz, with an upper limit of about 5,200 revolutions per minute. This area shows the machining cycle time and can also limit the time for one cycle. After all parameters are set, they need to be saved to memory. This is the memory save function. This is the memory storage area. The next page is for the production output counter function. The memory storage function can be turned on or off here. This is the current production count. This is the preset stop quantity. For example, set it to 8,888. When the production count reaches the set value, such as 4,994, the machine will stop. Once the quantity reaches the set value, the machine will stop and trigger an alarm notification. To clear the record, press Reset. Press and hold Reset. This clears the current value, not the preset value. This is the target value, and this is the current value. Press and hold for about 3 seconds. The long press is designed to prevent accidental operation. The lower section displays the servo motor torque value. This value shows the current servo load and spindle motor load, helping the operator evaluate machining conditions. These values help determine whether the drill is still sharp or has become dull. That concludes the explanation of these 3 pages. Next is the parameter page for each unit, used to adjust feeder control. This page sets how long the feeder should stop after it is full, how many seconds after material shortage it should start feeding, and how long after material shortage the machine should stop and trigger an alarm. It also sets the ejector delay time, meaning how long after ejecting the fixture will. The fixture will clamp after the set delay time. This is the drilling torque limit setting. These 2 values are used together with the torque display on the previous page. The operator needs to monitor the torque value during operation. After a new cutting tool is installed, the tool is sharp. Once machining starts, monitor the torque data and set the proper load limit. When the value exceeds the set limit, the machine will stop. The machine will stop due to excessive load, which usually indicates that the cutting tool needs to be replaced. Function parameters can be set on this page. Next is the I/O page. I/O is used to check input and output signals. The output signals are shown here. The next page is the alarm history log. This page displays alarm messages by date and time. This is the servo home return page. This is the alarm reset button. Both of these are reset buttons. The difference is that if an alarm occurs while the machine is still running, press this button to clear the alarm. If the machine has already stopped, this button can also be used to clear the alarm. Every page has a reset button. That concludes the operation of the HMI.